Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ke NPYF uba Wailad Mikishla bakran shakilat bathai kubor mentasngi ulong bagajing pentre ya gameni Secretariat kalayat chat balajanda artat banshna yaka ulong balathmu banshna Tylli ki blok hameni Secretariat handai namar baga sarkar ka khamdra Pisa hakitu ki por kumtala Mang Pisa Tang nagbenta Kawei ka blok katba ki wipat kidang sateng ulong banagalyang jong ulayo banekran bad menteri rangba ban Mang Pisa no ikini ki Tylli ki blok hakaba ulakular ban samang no nakabenta ki niru.
That is means like the work is progressing very well, and it is in the verge of completion right now. But there is one small issue here is that because the mini secretariat, from the very beginning, it was designed for 3 blocks. But during those times, since the government was having some financial crisis, so only the first block was sanctioned. So the rest 2 block is still pending, which I am already in talk with Honorable CM. Then he is he's quite positive that it will be sanctioned very soon. But nevertheless, once this first block is done, also it will really help in decongesting shifting the many offices in this mini secretariat will largely help the people.